Russian President Vladimir Putin will soon be arriving in India for the 23rd India-Russia Annual Summit on December 4th and 5th. This will be his first visit to India in 4 years, where he will hold bilateral talks with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and meet President Draupadi Murmu on defense, energy, space, trade and regional security. As always, the Kremlin's visit comes with a large and very strict security setup. His protective system is handled by Russia's Federal Protection Service (FSO) and the Presidential Security Service (SBP). They usually arrive weeks earlier to study the location, threats, crime patterns, protest risks, and religious landscape, and only highly trained officers handle his protection. Putin does not use smartphones. For foreign trips, a secure portable communication cabin is installed for encrypted contact with Moscow. The SBP sets this up only after checking electrical lines, networks and even hotel walls for hidden devices. Putin's meals are checked for toxins and chemical agents. His chefs are military-trained specialists. A month before his arrival, the advance team inspects the hotel, removes all local food items and replaces them with supplies flown in from Russia. Even drinking water and cutlery are replaced. Hotels often create a private elevator in isolated kitchen area only for his team. Reports say this method prevents foreign intelligence agencies from analyzing Putin's biological samples. Such samples could reveal medical issues or medication use. Trained officers follow him into restricted areas, ensure biological material is sealed and transported back to Moscow. If there is an attack, the FSO forms a close circle around him and moves him to the Orasinat. From there, a rapid evacuation route directly connects to the specially prepared aircraft waiting at the airport. These guards are selected through tough exams at the FSO Academy. They face psychological profiling, language tests, sniper training, assault training and winter endurance training. They must be between 5.8 to 6.2 feet tall and weigh 75 to 90 kilograms. In 2025, FSO officers were seen stopping Kim Jong-un from moving too close to Putin during a handshake moment. Ukraine's military intelligence chief, Major General Kirill Budanov, claimed that Putin uses at least 3 doubles for risky public events. Some reports suggest the doubles may have undergone medical procedures to match facial features. The Kremlin has always denied these claims, but speculation continues because of differences seen in public appearances. The Aurus Senat is Russia's state limousine developed by Aurus Motors and NAMI. It has run-flat tires, armor strong enough to resist gunfire and grenades, a fire extinguishing system, oxygen supply, encrypted communications and blast resistance. The vehicle can reach speeds of 249 kmph despite its heavy armor. FSO officers have been spotted holding handheld anti-drone interceptors. These devices can jam or disable hostile drones, a major threat during public appearances. They also monitor airspace using portable radar systems and encrypted communication devices. Putin's main aircraft is usually joined by 1 or 2 more Il-96 aircrafts. These are ready for emergency diversion, refueling issues or mechanical problems. Before such trips, his guards stay in quarantine for 2 weeks to avoid illness or contamination risks. He travels in the Il-96-300 Pu called Flying Pluton, which has a nuclear command system, missile defense technology, secure communication rooms, conference areas, a medical facility, and a full gym and bar. The aircraft can fly 11,000 kilometers non-stop and carry 262 people if needed.